The Outback 50 is a versatile and efficient motor yacht that stands out for its smart design, performance, and spaciousness. Designed by Michael Peters, an award-winning naval architect, the Outback 50 was built to prioritize open living spaces, fuel efficiency, and flexibility, catering to a wide range of lifestyles. Whether you're planning a day cruise, a longer voyage, or a weekend getaway, the Outback 50 is engineered to deliver comfort and performance without compromising on practicality. Let's get into it. But before we start, if you value what I do, please make sure to free subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. One of the most noticeable features of the Outback 50 is its thoughtfully designed, extended swim platform, which stretches the usability of the yacht's deck space beyond typical expectation. Unlike most yachts in its size category, this extended area provides a versatile space for stowing water toys, a tender, or even a jet ski. But it's not just for storage, it also doubles as an excellent lounging space near the water, perfect for enjoying a peaceful day at anchor or diving into the ocean. Walk around the yacht, and you'll appreciate how every inch of space is designed for usability. The wide, walk-around side decks make it easy to move between the bow and the stern. The yacht's high freeboards and sturdy railings enhance safety, especially for families with children, offering peace of mind when the boat is in motion. The spacious aft deck connects seamlessly to the interior and provides a highly customizable area depending on your needs. Whether you're looking to set up a dining area, a lounging space, or even an outdoor kitchen, the deck offers flexibility for various activities. It is a perfect example of how the Outback 50 maximizes usability for owners who want to personalize their vessel to suit their lifestyle. Stepping inside the Salon, you'll immediately notice the focus on open, airy spaces. The galley-up layout ensures that the kitchen is part of the social action, allowing the chef to prepare meals without being isolated from guests. The galley is fitted with high-end appliances and ample storage, making it suitable for extended cruising or simply hosting a dinner with friends. Large windows in the Salon create an open and welcoming environment. These windows not only flood the interior with natural light but also provide unobstructed views of the surrounding seascape, enhancing the sense of being connected to the ocean. The indoor-outdoor flow is seamless, with easy access from the Salon to the aft deck through large sliding doors. Whether you're entertaining or just relaxing with family, the space is flexible and practical. The accommodations on the Outback 50 are customizable depending on the owner's needs, but the standard layout includes 2 staterooms. The master stateroom is located forward and features a queen-size bed, plenty of storage, and an ensuite bathroom. The guest stateroom offers versatility, with options for twin beds or a convertible queen, making it ideal for family, friends, or additional crew members. Each cabin is designed to offer maximum comfort and privacy. In summary, the Outback 50 is a yacht that's designed for flexibility, performance, and comfort. With its extended swim platform, open-plan design, customizable features, and efficient fuel performance, it appeals to a wide range of boaters, whether you're looking for a day cruiser, a weekend getaway yacht, or a vessel for long-distance voyages. Its fuel efficiency and thoughtful design make it stand out in its class, offering the perfect blend of performance and practicality. If you enjoyed this video and value what I do, please make sure to free subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. My name is Jordan. Catch you on the next one.